Hey, future millionaires! Welcome back to Financial Freedom Basics, where we turn pennies into prosperity and dollars into dreams. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to financial freedom in 2024. But first, let me ask you, why did the Scarecrow become a successful financial advisor? Because he was outstanding in his field. All right, jokes aside, buckle up as we uncover the secrets to financial freedom this year. From mastering money mindset to juggling side hustles with your 9-5, we've got everything you need to make 2024 your wealth building year. Let's get started. Importance of financial education. All right, money mavens, let's talk smarts before stocks. Imagine trying to assemble IKEA furniture without instructions. That's life without financial education. Whether you're dodging debt or eyeing early retirement, knowledge is power. Learn the lingo, decode the jargon, and soon you'll be the Warren Buffett of your social circle, minus the folksy charm. From budgeting basics to mastering market maneuvers, it's all about flexing those financial muscles. So grab a latte and a laptop. Yes, we'll expense it later. And let's dive into the ABCs of finance. Remember, folks, in a world of YOLOs and FOMOs, financial literacy is your secret weapon. Stay tuned as we unlock the keys to making money moves in 2024, earning extra income while maintaining your 9-5 job. All right, financial ninjas, let's talk about how to hustle on the side without losing your day job sanity. Ever dream of sipping piña coladas on a private beach? Well, those umbrellas don't come cheap. Whether it's flipping thrift store finds on eBay or monetizing your mom's secret cupcake recipe, side hustles are your ticket to financial flexibility. Embrace your inner entrepreneur. Think of your 9-5 as Clark Kent and your side gig as Superman, cape optional. From freelance writing to dog walking, the possibilities are as endless as a Game of Thrones marathon, but less dragons. Remember, it's not just about stacking cash. It's about unleashing your creative mojo and diversifying your income streams like a financial DJ. So grab your laptop, polish that resume for your side hustle, of course, and let's turn those spare hours into serious dollars. Stay tuned as we uncover the side hustle secrets to boosting your bank account and living your best financial life in 2024. Common financial struggles. Ahoy, fellow treasure seekers! Let's navigate the murky waters of common financial woes with the grace of a pirate finding gold doubloons. From battling student loans that haunt you like ghost ships to dodging credit card krakens that threaten to sink your budget. We've all been there. It's like playing a game of Monopoly, but with real money and no get-out-of-jail-free cards. But fear not, savvy sailors, for every stormy sea has a calm harbor. By arming yourself with budgeting cannons and emergency fund lifeboats, you can weather any financial tempest. Remember, even Captain Jack Sparrow had to learn to manage his loot wisely. Rum and reckless spending don't mix well. So join us as we hoist the financial flag high and navigate these choppy financial waters together. We'll share tips, tricks, and maybe a few buried treasures, figuratively speaking, to help you sail smoothly towards financial freedom in 2024. Get ready to turn those financial struggles into tales of triumph. Because the best adventures begin where the safe harbors end. Buying versus leasing a car, let's navigate the murky waters of common financial woes with the grace of a pirate finding gold doubloons. From battling student loans that haunt you like ghost ships to dodging credit card krakens that threaten to sink your budget. We've all been there. It's like playing a game of Monopoly, but with real money and no get-out-of-jail-free cards. But fear not, savvy sailors, for every stormy sea has a calm harbor. By arming yourself with budgeting cannons and emergency fund lifeboats, you can weather any financial tempest. Remember, even Captain Jack Sparrow had to learn to manage his loot wisely. Rum and reckless spending don't mix well. So join us as we hoist the financial flag high and navigate these choppy financial waters together. We'll share tips, tricks, and maybe a few buried treasures, figuratively speaking, to help you sail smoothly towards financial freedom in 2024. Renting versus buying a house. All right, future homeowners, let's play a game of real estate roulette. Renting versus buying. It's the ultimate showdown between flexibility and putting down roots. Renting is like dating. It's casual, commitment-free, and you can always swipe left when the lease is up. Buying, on the other hand, is like proposing marriage. You're in it for the long haul with vows to your mortgage lender and all. But fear not, home hunters, because we're here to decode this housing conundrum. Whether you're crunching numbers like a mathlete or daydreaming about backyard barbecues, we'll weigh the pros and cons so you can make the right move. Literally. Remember, it's not just about the curb appeal. It's about finding your financial match made in heaven. So, grab your house hunting hat and let's embark on this real estate adventure together. Whether you're team rent or team buy, we've got the compass to guide you towards your housing happily ever after in 2024. Tracking expenses and budgeting effectively. Let's trim those financial sails and navigate the seas of spending like savvy sailors. Picture your budget as a treasure map. It leads to buried gold, or at least more disposable income. Tracking expenses isn't just about knowing where your doubloons go, it's about taming the budget-busting beasts that lurk in the shadows of your bank statement. From that daily coffee habit that's draining your doubloons faster than a shipwreck to those impulse buys that leave you shipwrecked on the shores of overspending. We've all been there, but fear not, financial adventurers, because we've got the compass to steer you towards smoother financial waters. Grab your budgeting cutlass and let's slash those unnecessary expenses with the precision of a pirate captain counting their loot. Whether you're plotting your monthly plunder or setting sail for financial freedom, remember, a well-kept budget is your map to financial success. So join us as we navigate these choppy financial seas together, turning budget battles into victories and setting sail for smoother financial horizons in 2024. Starting investing with little money. Let's dive into the exciting waters of wealth building with the enthusiasm of pirates hunting for buried treasure. You might think investing is only for the wealthy elite, but fear not, because even a modest chest of gold coins can grow into a treasure trove with the magic of compound interest. Whether you're starting with spare doubloons from your piggy bank or a few pieces of 8 squirreled away from your paycheck, every little bit counts on this financial adventure. First mate, meet your crew, index funds, ETFs, and robo-advisors, the savvy sailors of the investment world. They'll help you navigate the stormy seas of stocks and bonds with the precision of a seasoned captain. Don't worry about knowing every stock ticker. Even Blackbeard had his trusted advisors. Now, let's chart your course. Set sail with a clear investment strategy, whether it's long-term growth or a swashbuckling mix of stocks and bonds. Align your sails with your financial goals. Remember, investing isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Stay the course, weather the market squalls, and watch your treasure grow over time. But wait, there's more booty! Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans like 401ks or IRAs. They're like hidden chests of tax advantages waiting to be plundered. And don't forget to diversify your investments like a pirate spreading their loot across different treasures. It's the key to guarding against stormy market weather. So, grab your telescope and scan the horizon for investment opportunities. With a bit of courage, a dash of patience, and our trusty financial compass, you'll be sailing towards wealth and financial freedom in 2024. It's time to dock our ship, but the journey to financial freedom continues. Whether you're battling budget monsters or mastering the art of investing, remember, every step counts towards your treasure trove. Share your own financial tales, those highs, lows, and the occasional buried treasure in the comments below. Don't forget to hoist the subscribe flag to stay updated on our next expedition into the seas of savings and wealth building. Until next time, keep budgeting like a boss, investing like a pirate, and sailing towards your financial dreams in 2024 and beyond. Fair winds and following seas, mateys!